we are now going on Expedition Everest. This opened in 2006, costing $100 million US. And when you think about that, that is a lot, considering Wicker Man Ocean Towers only cost £18 million. And like, you look at that, that looks amazing. And like, look at this thing. It was the most expensive roller coaster until Hagrid's opened. Just been on a ride that cost $100 million to build. Expedition Everest. It's a great and long coaster, and for a kids coaster, it's very, very thrilling. Like, going down some of those drops feels pretty cool, and also like at the top of the big lift hill, I could see Tower of Terror, which was cool. But yeah, you've got loads of things in there. You've got 2 switch tracks, backward section, massive drop, and it's very, very long. It does really feel like you're up in the mountain searching for the Yeti, and once you do find it, it's very, very cool. So yeah, that was Expedition Everest.